give it one. Is they Snapchat my birthday dinner, I guess. Here in the video. Today I'm going to show you something awesome. Ta-da! It's my new CamCorder that I got at Best Buy for $80. But thanks to an eagle, she gave me a cool American Express card for $25. And there I got half, or almost half off. So, I used the $25 plus like let's say $60 or whatever. Because it was $80, and I used that $25 for the American Express one. So yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of the webcam recording. There, I took a picture. Yay! Wait, is it on? Turn the light on. Digital light on. 27 minutes. Not too bad. There it is. My webcam. Not webcam. CamCorder. Yes. I don't know if it can record YouTube or not. I don't think it can. But it can record. I know that because earlier today I did record something, but I didn't know how to watch it. So that's it. This is my CamCorder. You can buy one at Best Buy's for $80. Good price. Actually works. Comes with batteries and all the instructions you need to get started. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video now. So peace, respect, and have a good rest of my birthday, which is today. So yeah, bye bye.